everybody, welcome to my channel, JulsPage. Today we're going to cook spicy sardine fish cake. A very easy and quick recipe. We need 3 pieces of garlic, of course, we need 1 can of sardines. You can use any kind of sardines you like. I love sardines, especially spicy sardines. Can add the garlic, fish sauce, chili powder, dried parsley because I don't have fresh, chives or green onion, and fresh grated ginger. Grated ginger gives more taste to our fish cakes. Mix it well. We need also 2 eggs. Add a little bit more of fish sauce because you can see I didn't add salt. I like fish sauce more, and add pepper. It's frying time. Everybody knows how to fry. Just heat the pan and add oil. Our easy and quick spicy sardine fish cake. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe.